Smartphones have become an integral part of our lives, but have you ever stopped to think about the impact they have on us? We're constantly glued to our screens, scrolling through social media, checking emails, and playing games. It's easy to get lost in this digital world, but the reality is that many of us are addicted to our smartphones. This addiction not only affects our mental health, but also contributes to a growing environmental crisis. Enter the Fairphone 6, a refreshing alternative that challenges the status quo of smartphone manufacturing. Unlike typical smartphones that are designed for obsolescence, the Fairphone 6 is built with sustainability in mind. Its modular design allows you to easily replace parts, extending the life of the device and reducing electronic waste. Imagine being able to swap out a broken camera or battery without having to buy an entirely new phone. This is not just a dream, it's a reality with Fairphone. Let's talk about updates. Most smartphones receive updates for a couple of years. Then you're left with outdated software and security vulnerabilities. Fairphone, on the other hand, commits to long-term updates, ensuring that your device remains secure and functional for years to come. This is a game changer in a market where planned obsolescence is the norm. Fairphone's CEO once said, "We believe that technology should be fair to everyone." This isn't just a slogan, it's a philosophy that drives their mission. The Fairphone 6 is designed for everyone, not just activists or eco-warriors. It's for anyone who values transparency, ethics, and sustainability in their technology choices. You don't have to be a tech expert to appreciate the benefits of a phone that prioritizes people and the planet. Now, let's compare this to the typical smartphone experience. Most brands push flashy features and the latest specs, but at what cost? The Fairphone 6 may not have the same marketing hype, but it offers something far more valuable, a chance to make a positive impact. By choosing Fairphone, you're supporting ethical labor practices and sustainable sourcing of materials. You're saying no to the cycle of exploitation and waste that plagues the tech industry. The Fairphone 6 is not just another gadget, it's a statement. It's a reminder that we can choose technology that aligns with our values. It's about making informed decisions that benefit not only ourselves, but also the world around us. So, if you're tired of the endless cycle of upgrading and the guilt of contributing to e-waste, consider the Fairphone 6. It's a phone that empowers you to take control of your technology, to repair rather than replace, and to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. If you want to learn more about how you can make a difference with your smartphone choice, dive into the world of Fairphone. It's time to rethink our relationship with technology and choose a path that leads to a better future for everyone.